Welcome to the channel, everyone. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let you know you're welcome. My name is Linden Houston, and thanks for tuning in to Linden Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to make you a lovely tea, and I'm going to use everyday herbs, which I have here. I have some lovely thyme here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely, healthy, and delicious tea for your health. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and do remember to like, share, subscribe, and do leave positive comment. Stay tuned. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lovely, healthy tea with thyme. If you should ever have a cold or flu, or stomach situation, this thyme here is good for anti-inflammatory, and also is good for sinus. It's good for your digestive system. It have vitamin A, vitamin C. It also can help you to resist harmful inflammation and free radical to the body. This thyme here is full of antioxidant also. So just in case you're coughing and you can't sleep, and you have a little bit of bowel issue, I'm going to show you how you can make a lovely tea by adding a little bit more ingredients. I'll be adding a little bit more lemon to this and a little bit of honey. So this is very healthy. It's something you can drink before you go to bed or first thing in the morning. So to make this lovely tea, what we're going to do, I'm going to get my teapot here, and I'm going to get some lovely fresh thyme, and we're just going to put it down inside here. And we're going to use probably about half a lemon to go with this. So just get yourself some hot water, boiling water, and just pour straight over this. And we're going to let it sit there. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to get half of lemon. So I'm just going to use half of this lemon. And we're going to squeeze it in. Just go ahead and squeeze it in this. We're going to leave that in and let it draw. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get our cup, and then we're going to put some honey in it. Just get yourself some honey. If you don't want the honey in it, you don't have to. But just get yourself some honey, because honey is very healthy. Just make sure you get yourself some good quality honey. Don't get the crazy one that they had sugar to. After your honey is in your teacup, you're going to go ahead and you're going to pour some of the lovely tea in it. Then you just give him a stir. And this is ready. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your time. Just enjoy that video I've just made. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Thanks for watching.